Greetings everyone, just a quick little video here. So I recently ordered a tool and I saw this on one of my friends posted on Facebook. It's a thing called a KnuckleBender. It's for bending a hinge to make a door fit better. Anyways, I saw it in the States and it was, I don't know, 25, 30 bucks, something like that. And they said it would take 2 to 6 weeks to ship it. Oh man. Anyways, I found it here in Japan and it was like 50 bucks, almost twice the price. But it said 2 to 4 days shipping. So I thought, great. So I ordered it about 2 months ago. Yeah. Right there it says Hardware X Supply, Lexington, Kentucky. So it says the tool cost $19.45 and the shipping and freight was $10.42, so that's $29.86, and they charged me basically 5,000 yen. So that means the guys here in Japan that ordered this and just sent it to me with see, there's the international sticker, there's the domestic sticker. They marked it up by whatever percentage. But I got bait and switched because they said it would take 2 to 4 days to ship it. Well, maybe it took 2 to 4 days for the guys to ship it, but it took a month to get here. Needless to say, I'm happy to finally have the tool, but I'm kind of pissed off about the whole thing. And when I contacted them and tried to cancel it, they said if I wanted to cancel it, I'd have to pay the shipping charges. I have a complaint in with Amazon. I expect nothing will happen. I guess I'm just going to I'm going to stack that one up to 2020. Yeah, gifts from, yeah, whatever. So see, this isn't even to me. This is actually to the person who I bought it from. Anyways, this is a thing called a KnuckleBender. It's like a crescent wrench. It has this thing for knocking out the hinges here. This is supposed to be. And then it has this specially designed and ground doohickey that goes around the hinge, and then you can bend the hinge this way or bend the hinge that way to make the door fit better. I often run into situations, in particular here, toilet doors, you know, because our toilets and our bathrooms are separate rooms, and the toilet doors often they end up rubbing because, you know, buildings move. We have these things called earthquakes. Anyways, I'm glad I have it. I have at least one apartment right now that I'm working on that I can use it on, so that's great. But I'm not very happy about the bait and switch on the shipping thing. That kind of sucks. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Looks like a good tool. I know other guys that I know and trust have rated it very well and said it's a good one. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, I hope everyone out there is safe. Take care. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.